How many of you ready for the game? Say I.
I.
Come on, more energy. How many of you ready for the game? Say I. Welcome to game time. The name of the game is Spring and Ring. What is the name of the game?
Spring and Ring.
What is the name of the game?
Spring and Ring.
The objective of the game is very simple. You have to separate the ring from the spring. What you have to do? You have to separate the ring from the spring. The rules of the games are you should not bend the spring. You should not break the ring. And you can only remove the ring from the center and not from the edges. After you separate it, it will look like this. Yes? Are you ready?
Yeah.
I will be giving you 2 minutes. How many minutes?
2 minutes.
And the team which separates the puzzle will get 500 points. How many points?
500 points.
And your time starts now. Three,
Two,
two,
one.
and time. Please keep the puzzles down. So do you want clue from me?
Yes. Everybody, come on.
Yes? So how do you ask?
Somebody, clue.
Coach, please give it to
Come on with lots of love. Okay, since you have asked with lots of love, I will give you the clue. The clue is bring the ring to the center of the spring and twist. I repeat, bring the ring to the center of the spring and twist. This time I will be giving you 1 minute and 250 points. How many points?
250 points.
So, and your time starts now. Thank you so much for your participations. Please give yourself a big applause. Participation is equal to? How many of you had fun? Say I. Fun is equal to? So what did we learn from this game? Yes, by learning the simple technique and twist, we can transform ourselves. Yes, next, what did you learn? Technique, yes. Execute the technique, yes. Think out of the box, yes, G, correct. Communicate with the team, yes. Reverse engineering, yes, G.